Hey there! For today's activity, we'll be working on shapes together. Let's try triangles. You'll need colors. Yum! Tortilla chips and salsa. Draw more triangles to make chips. Oh, so these are the tortilla chip triangles. And here's the salsa. I'm going to use a black marker to draw more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to use a yellow crayon to color them in.